This is a really cool funk saxophone lick from Candy Dulfer. Now, if you've ever seen Candy Dulfer perform live, you've probably heard her version of the average white band song, Pick Up the Pieces. In her version, she goes through an extended jam session with herself and basically just the drums. In this video, I want to share one of the funk saxophone licks that she plays from one of those performances. Hi, I'm Donna from DonnaSchwartzMusic.com, and if you want more tips to bring your playing to the next level and licks to sound like a pro, hit that subscribe button and tap the bell to get notified when new videos are out. Now, what Candy does during this section is improvise over all 12 keys. All of her licks are very rhythmic, which means she's varying her use of rhythms and her timing is spot on, making her locked in with that rhythm section at all times. This particular lick is over a concert F7 chord. That's alto sax D7 and tenor sax G7. And the lick appears at 9 minutes and 22 seconds into the video. This particular video that I used as a reference, the link is in the description below. In terms of alto sax notes, she's not following the notes of a D7 chord. Instead, she's using a D minor pentatonic scale. Which sounds really good with that F natural in there. Let's listen again to the lick. Now she's playing this at the very low register of the alto saxophone, so if you've got air leaks in your C, in your D, or in your bell keys, it's going to be really hard to play this lick. For now, play it up the octave, but make sure you get your instrument fixed. Here's a pro tip. One of the most important things to remember when performing funk music is that you really have to feel the 16th note subdivisions all the time. When you do that, your entrances and your rhythms are going to be spot on. You're going to be locked in with that rhythm section. Now, did you notice that there's not many different notes in this lick? She basically plays this short motif, bum bum da dum bum, ends it on the 5th scale degree. Then she ends it on the root the second time, bum bum da dum bum. The third time, it's the same as the first. And the last time is a slight rhythmic variation, and she ends it with a different rhythm ending on the lowered 7th. Bum bum ba da bum bum. Let's listen to the lick again. Now you can play this lick over any dominant 7th chord in rock and funk styles. And it'd be a really good idea to learn this lick in as many keys as possible to not limit yourself. I mean, in her version, she did it over all 12 keys. Want more cool licks like this? Well, people that support my YouTube channel get access to many licks, PDFs, and video lessons not seen anywhere else. And for this lick, they're also getting access to the backing track I used to play this lick over. So head on over to patreon.com/DonnaSchwartzMusic so you can get access too. Hey, thanks so much for joining me. On that note, take care. Have a great day.